this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one made in South Korea. This one's packaged for sale in the U.S. market, folks. This is U.S. Premium. This is GS Retail, which is a chain out of South Korea with products for the U.S. market. Excuse me, this is their Gonghwachun. Gonghwachun, the first Chinese restaurant in Korea with a 100-year tradition. This is, I'm pretty sure this is like a Jjajangmyeon. Yeah, instant noodle with black bean sauce. So, Jjajangmyeon. So we put water in here. Blip, 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 blip. And we're gonna cover it. Hitting that for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It's got a retort pouch. Look at that. Metallic pouch with usually meat and vegetables. This one will not have any meat in it. And then some oil. So let that warm up a little bit on top. It's been about a week since I've done any of these episodes, and I've got some stuff on the back burner that needs to get on the front burner, so that's what I'm doing today. And I don't even remember if I was supposed to do this one first or the other one first. I think I was doing this one first. But anyways, yeah. So it is Monday, the 25th of September. It is the fall now. Welcome to autumn, fall for me. For you, it's probably just about spring. It's late, what do you call it? February. I don't know how late it is. So on Saturday, as I often do, I took my daughter Mimi to the store with me. We walked down to the store, got some stuff. Came back. On the way back, all of a sudden I just got this, I don't know how to explain it, kind of feeling. Turned around and watched my daughter biff it on the sidewalk in front of the skate park. And I don't mean just biff it, but lamb. I mean, I thought all she did was hit her knee, which sounded like somebody dropping like a large apple on the sidewalk. It was a very hollow clunk, and she was bawling. I mean, she's only 7 years old, you know, but she was really unhappy. And then got her to sit on a bench and got her to go walk home with me. And we got in the door, and I told my wife, you know, she needs some attention. And I didn't realize it, but she got road rash next to her eye and was bleeding there too. I didn't see it. I mean, she's got long bangs, but yeah, we just took her this morning. She did get to go to school. She was happy. When I was a kid, I would have been like, sweet, I don't have to go to school, right? She's like, I'm gonna be able to go to school, right? And they gave her an x-ray and checked her out, and her knee is super swollen, but she's good. So it's like, so it's okay for her to go to school. And this guy's like, yeah, I mean, you know, don't overdo it or nothing, but yeah, you can go to school. She's like, yay! Kids these days, they must put something in the food, but glad she was at least able to do that. She likes to go and hang out with her friends. Social butterfly and all. But yeah, we took her to school, and she's like, oh, I see my, there was like, the lunchroom was packed, and it's just like, oh, I see my class. And she was just like out of there. No hugs or kisses or nothing. She's just like, boom, gone. So, because Kit was talking to her mom, and her mom said, oh yeah, you were the same way. It's like, okay. Go do your kid stuff. Run away. But yeah, it's good. So yeah, I'm doing a couple reviews today. I've got a couple of reviews I'm probably going to be doing tomorrow. Oh, they're fixing our couch tomorrow, so we'll see if they show up. But they should be fixing our couch tomorrow, and that would be a good thing. We have a couch. I guess they're calling it a love seat. I don't know. Everything to me is a couch. It's like a chair, and it's floofy, you know. It's not a bean bag. It's not soft, but it's, you know, it's a couch. I would have thought a love seat would just be like a big single seat, but I guess that's the double. And a couch is only one seat or three? I don't. And there's sectionals. I don't know. I don't know from sectional. I don't know. Today, for those of that persuasion, is Yom Kippur, which is a... What I read was that... I've been told everything about it by my dear brother who lives in Israel, in Jerusalem, and is a practicing Jewish person. But there's so much data to take in, I forget all the stuff he tells me. Not all of it, but plenty of it. But it's the Day of Atonement. So I guess if you've done somebody wrong, it's the day that you kind of fix that up. You mend the broken bridges. I think that's the deal. It's like, okay. Alright. Okay. I think that was something like, he said something the other day, if you've done something wrong in their religion, and you've publicly asked for forgiveness, like, twice, you're good. Even if the person won't forgive you, you're, like, on record for doing it in a public place. There's, like, certain things like that when done publicly or in front of people, then it gets changed over. I don't know. That's kind of neat. I mean, when you think about it, it's like if you go in front of people and say, yeah, I did something wrong, I screwed up, it's just like, that can be hard to do, so. But yeah, that's today. It's also National, what is it? National Lobster Day, National Cooking Day, National, what was it? Ataxia Day, Ataxia Awareness. Ataxia. I can afford a taxi. Can you? That's a very little joke. Alright, so here is... Wow, you don't want to combine right away, do you? Yep, this smells like a Jjajangmyeon. So I should let you know that this is, yes, this is GS Retail. This is a product of theirs. But the company that undoubtedly manufactured this product was Paldo. That's right. Ding! I don't know, everybody's constantly, and for a good reason, mind you, going off about Nongshim products and Samyang products. I don't know, I don't see all these people extending the same thing to Paldo stuff, and Paldo makes absolutely, like, the best jjajang out there. Especially since it's always in a retort pouch. Yeah, that's a wonderful jjajangmyeon. Nice thick noodle. Flavorful. Savory. Good for the face hole. A lot of them are made that come with a powder. What was it? There's... Well, we'll see what happens. I think I stopped it for a moment, which I did not mean to do. Hopefully there was nothing lost there. But I think, yeah. So maybe too big of a bowl, I don't care. There's our stuff and things. And I really don't have a lot to add to this. I think I'm just gonna go with some spring onion. Just gonna tease it out. Tease out the noodle fro. Wow, that's good. Tonight I am going to make a pizza because my daughter wants pizza with what do you call it on it? Broccoli. Not baked, not cooked broccoli, mind you, but raw. Like, she's like, I just want like not the stems. I'm like, the florets, and she gets all excited. They're called florets. Cool. She's like all fascinated by the terminology for broccoli. I'm just fascinated by the fact that she's a first grader and she's like asking for pizza with broccoli on it. But kids these days. All right, well, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is another one of these porridges. This is a Filipino style congee by Pamana, not Panama, Pamana, and this is a beef goto, and it doesn't really say that. It says it's gluten free, so we'll see if my wife likes that one. She might give it a try. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye-bye.